Hey guys, welcome to Mige Office Furniture. Today I recommend an ergonomic chair to you. It will let you resist your fatigue at work and keep your body and mind happy. Ordinary office chair, the quality of mesh is poor. The headrest, the armrest, and the cushion cannot be adjusted. But the chair is wide and ergonomically designed to suit most people. Fully breathable import carrier Korean net. The headrest and seat cushion can be adjusted. Armrests are even more body adjustable. The back frame enhances the waist support function. Sitting in the office is very comfortable. Let me show you the effect below. As you can see, the products show a good performance in office. If you are interested in this chair, contact us now to have a maximum discount for you. See you next time!